another laban na naman bilang scholar ng bayan.
Good morning, ma'am. Pwede po ba namin kayo ma-interview? Bakit Bicol University?
First, dahil malapit. Second, dahil sabi ng mama ko. And above all, dahil andito ang best friend ko. Wait, yung ID ko. Wait lang, guys.
Why Bicol University? Well, let me start by offering a brief historical overview. Bicol University is the premier state university in Bicol region, founded on June 21, 1969 through the passage of RA 5521, but was institutionally formalized on September 21, 1970 by virtue of Resolution No. 1 in its Board of Regents, having Attorney Dr. Ricardo A. Arcilla as the first president. BU, with its 7 dynamic campuses across the region, it proudly nurtures excellence in various fields like accountancy, engineering, midwifery, nursing, social work, and education. Among these campuses, Daraga is home to Bicol University's College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. Established in 2003 through the transformation of the former College of Arts and Sciences, this college was officially founded on September 10, 2004, following the approval of the Board Resolution No. 075 in 2004. It commenced official operations on January 1, 2005 under the authorization specified in Administrative Order No. 263, Series of 2004. It is at this campus that our main character,
it's a remix and I'm coming with that bow bow bow.
is enrolled in a psychology course. But back to the question, why BU? BU is more than just classrooms and textbooks. It's a community. The vibrant campus life, diverse student body, and a faculty dedicated to shaping future leaders create an atmosphere that fosters growth and camaraderie. And when you ask why Bicol University, remember this. It's not just about an institution promoting education. It's about the experience that shapes not just careers, but lives. It is an institution promoting scholarship, leadership, character, and service.
Julie, tama na yan. Wait lang. Uy, dito ka rin pala. Long time na. Huwag mo ko i-touch para late na ako. Ay, sorry. Pero ba't ka nag-shy? Di ko gusto tapos ng dila mo, pero I'm always ready for that question. Ganito kasi yan. It's like having a secret manual on understanding people in this connected world. Kailangan natin yan to get along better and to help out folks with mental health problems, di ba? I might not seem like it at first glance,
But I hold a genuine concern for our society. As a psychology student, I strongly believe in considering the community's well-being in everything I do, particularly in relation to mental health. My aspiration is to contribute to understanding and supporting individuals in need of mental and emotional health assistance. Psychology, para sa akin, is about using our knowledge to serve and care for those reliant on our expertise for their well-being.
bro. Basta gusto ko lang maging yung taong tumutulong to break the stigma sa mental health, be it through counseling or just spreading the word na ang minds natin sobrang strong pare. Manirap pa? Di naman, sus! Wala namang course na madali.
Of course, when it comes to the subject, specifically math, like grabe, kaya nga nag-psych ako kasi akala ko wala niyan. But it's not just about the lectures, but the whole experience in meeting people with diverse perspectives. And aside from that, we get to join different events like concerts, pageants, seminars, and we also have what we call CSSP days. And of course, di mawawala ang psychology days. But the best event for me is yung BU Hato talaga. In these events, we get to embrace the discussions, meet new people, and yun nga, engage in activities outside class. It's more than just the books. It's the experience that enriches you.
The circle of friends I have, and syempre, yung best friend ko din.
Holds varying perspectives on mental health. We engage in discussions and even arguments, but I believe that our mutual understanding is what will truly enrich my journey as a psychology student. The friendships I've formed are incredible. It's not just about having companions to spend time with. It's about engaging in profound conversations, comprehending each other's challenges, and offering support. Parang sa almost 2 years ko nga as a psych student, I've already gained superpower through the experiences that I had. I became more patient and empathetic, hindi lang sa mga friends and family, pati na rin sa ibang tao.
At the end of the day, kahit anong hirap, kahit ayaw mo na, sa huli, pinipili mo pa rin. Uy!
That was a long conversation. I imagine what I would be in the future.
Yes, ma'am. Please introduce yourself. Hi, ako si Julie. Timang ako pero may pangarap.